This is the Iron Trader, TGIF. The pits on crude oil and natural gas just closed, so I have the two videos for you. At the end of the videos, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, or ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we go. We have crude oil. You have your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, yesterday, what we did, it made a higher high. But if you look at these two candles right here, that is what they call a tweezer top. So 90% plus of the time, the next day is going to be lower. So what I did is I scalped SCO, got in at 28 flat, and then sold out today at $30.25. So made 2.25 points. The reason I sold is because you look at today's low on this candle here, and then you look here on this candle. Okay, so there's your double bottom situation right there. That's where you wanted to sell. Now, crude oil here today closed back above this 8-day at 68.62. So that's really a sign where this could maybe just go like a sideways action. Now, if it can't, then on Monday, what you want to do is look at, obviously, today's low. And then you want to look at this 200 SMA here at 66.25. And then this 50 SMA here on the monthly chart at 65.27. If that's lost, then you're looking at 58.91 here on the 100 SMA. But let's just look at the positive here. Okay, you went down today, put in a bottoming tail here, and then what you did is you closed above that 8-day. That's always a good sign. So if this goes higher, you want to go and look at today's high. Then you want to look at this candle here, and then yesterday's candle. Okay, so, and then if that can close above that, then we have all these nice SMAs here. Okay, so let's just big that up a little bit. Okay, so you got 73.62. You have this 50-day at 76.36, the 100-day at 78.12, and then that retest at 80.94. Okay, you always want to look here on the weekly chart for the resistance here, 74.78 on the 8-day, and then your 21-day here at 77.99. Now, let's not get too far ahead of yourself because this 200 SMA here sitting at 72.59, that's going to be a big resistant levels here. That's on a monthly chart, so that's a very strong resistance. But as far as today goes, it was a really nice trade. Get out of it, and then on the short side, and then it closed above the 8 SMA, which makes it a very positive so far for the day. So we'll have to see how that shakes out here on Monday. Okay, here we go, Natgas, daily, weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, we're still same sideways pattern. Now, today, what we did is we put in an inside day, which means your high and the low was inside of yesterday's high and low. Now, if you look at this price channel, it's starting to curl up. That might provide some support here for this. But what we want to do is look at this key 1.967. That's very, very key level. That needs to hold. If not, it can go all the way to this 1.44 level. Now, the key to natural gas is it needs a catalyst. That's the first thing. It needs to get above and close above this 8 SMA here, this 21 SMA here, and this key 8 SMA here on the weekly chart at 2.479. If it can, then we have the 50-day SMA, and then your retest at 3.027. So right now, you're still in this range, sideways range. You still have your left shoulder and your head and your right shoulder. Now, if you close below 1.967, then that negates any kind of a pattern. But right now, that trading channel is still there. There's not much we can say here on the natural gas. There's no catalyst. There's really no interest as of right now. But if it can either break up or break down, then we have a trade. So you really want to just keep it small. I scalped a little bit of oil today. Didn't get much out of that there. Got like 20 cents on the trade. but you can trade a lot more shares. So, it's just very small. Keep it very small, very tight until we can get some kind of a movement either out of this range or below that range. Thanks for watching.